Life doesn't come with a manual, but you can write your own. Have you ever felt like you're just drifting, reacting to whatever life throws at you? I've been there, and it's exhausting. Today we're talking about creating a realistic life plan, a living, breathing roadmap for intentional living. This isn't about controlling every outcome. It's about clarity, knowing what matters and aligning your actions with your purpose. Think of it as building a house. You need a blueprint. Your life deserves that same intention. So grab a notebook, turn off distractions, and let's get to work designing a life you're excited to wake up to. Let's dive in. What is a life plan, really? It's not a rigid manual for the next 50 years. Life is unpredictable. A life plan gives you clarity and direction, not control over every detail. Imagine a road trip. You need a destination and a map, not just random driving. Your life plan is your personal map. It lets you choose your path instead of wandering aimlessly. This is about living by design, not by default, making conscious choices in all areas of your life. It's not about perfection, but progress, small intentional steps every day. Your plan is a tool for clarity and motivation, not a cage. It's about asking, what do I want? And having the courage to go after it. Before you build anything, you need a foundation, your core values and your vision. Your values are your non-negotiables, your internal compass. Take a moment. Write down words that resonate: integrity, creativity, growth, adventure. Circle your top 5 to 7. These are your pillars. Now, craft a vision statement. Imagine your ideal life 5 or 10 years from now. Be specific. Work, relationships, how you feel, your legacy. Write it in the present tense as if it's already happening. This is your North Star. Your vision should excite and maybe even scare you a little. For example, I am a successful author inspiring millions, living near the mountains, enjoying deep connections, and feeling strong every day. This combination of values and vision will fuel your motivation and guide your goals. Let your vision pull you forward. This is the foundation for everything that follows. You have your vision and values. Now, where are you right now? Time for a life audit. Draw a wheel of life, 8 slices: career, finances, health, relationships, growth, fun, environment, spirituality. Rate your satisfaction in each area from 1 to 10. Be honest. Connect the dots. Is your wheel balanced or lopsided? Most of us have ups and downs. Celebrate your high scores, but focus on the lowest. These are your growth opportunities. This honest assessment is your starting line. Now you know where to focus your energy first. You know your destination and your starting point. Now, set the bridges, your goals. Vague wishes won't cut it. Use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Example: instead of "I want to be healthier," try "I will lose 5 kilograms in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and tracking my meals." Make sure your goals align with your values and vision. A deadline turns a dream into a plan. SMART goals give you a clear target and a way to measure progress. Break big dreams into actionable steps. This is how you move from wishing to doing. Start with one area and one goal. Big goals can feel overwhelming, so break them down. Reverse engineer your goal. Set monthly milestones, weekly actions, and daily habits. For saving $5,000 in a year, that's $417 a month, about $100 a week. Identify weekly actions. Pack lunch, cancel unused subscriptions, skip a dinner out. Daily habit track expenses for 5 minutes each night. Breaking it down makes big goals manageable and achievable. Step by step, you'll climb the mountain. Things will go wrong. Expect it. Plan for 2 types of obstacles: external life events and internal self-doubt, procrastination. For each goal, brainstorm what could derail you. For every obstacle, ask, what's my backup plan? If the gym's closed, do a home workout. Too tired? Exercise in the morning. Who can you ask for help? Identify your support system now. Anticipating obstacles and having a plan B keeps you moving forward. Don't let setbacks stop you. Adapt and keep going. Preparation is your secret weapon. Your life plan isn't set it and forget it. It's a living guide. Schedule regular reviews: weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually. Weekly, check your actions and plan the next steps. Monthly, review milestones and adjust as needed. Quarterly and annually, zoom out, reassess your vision, update goals, and celebrate wins. Treat your plan as dynamic, adjust as you grow. Regular reviews keep you on track and inspired. You will fall off track. That's normal. The goal isn't perfection, it's persistence and flexibility. If a strategy isn't working, change it, not the goal. Practice self-compassion. Don't beat yourself up, treat yourself like a friend. When you slip, reflect, revise, and restart, immediately. Your life plan is a practice, not a test. Every new choice is a chance to get back on track. Be kind to yourself and keep moving forward. Creating a life plan isn't about predicting every step. It's about freedom through clarity and intention. Start small, pick one area, set one SMART goal, and break it down. Honesty makes your plan powerful. Your life plan is a promise to yourself. You are worth the effort. The journey begins with a single step. Take it today. Open your notebook, define your value, set your goal. You have everything you need. Now go build your masterpiece.